Okay, well, now I don't know if this is what is wanted. Um, this is a theme which I myself discovered on the Gnome Look website. I liked it straight away. I preferred it far better than the supplied dark theme, so I downloaded it and installed it. It's called Slickness Black. It's a GTK2 theme. If you notice, especially on the context menus here, it's got a slight 3D effect on the highlights, which I think looks rather nice. I'm going to attach the tarball, that's this here, to the bottom of this post. When you get it, if you unpack it, you'll want to go into USR, Share, Themes, which is here, and then drop it in here, you see. Having done that, the way to select it, bring up the JWM Desk Manager, and you want to go into GTK Theme, where you should find it listed here, and then all you do, apply, OK, and that will install it and clear the window out of the way, and then you just close things down. You may need to do a restart of X. I can't exactly remember because it's quite a while since I installed these. But it should do what you want. It's just one alternative. Other people will probably come up with other suggestions. The choice, of course, will be yours, but I just thought I'd demonstrate what this particular one looks like. You may like it, you may not. It's entirely up to you.